town, absolutely huge. So the town would have been full of the industry, with all the industries associated with building ships, and it would have been full of merchants, full of people trying to sell their wares. At one point in this town, there were 90 pubs that was catering to all these sailors from all over the world. Actually, there are still some remnants left of the shipbuilding trade here. You see on this warehouse on the right, with a pulley up there, and then a much better one on the left with that pulley up there. So this is where they would be storing things. Going along here. So you're going from poverty, extreme poverty, into the richer part of town. Now, this is a splendid building in the Regency style. That, if it had a few more stories underneath it, could, be in Regent Street. And I think it's an amazing building. There's nothing else like it in Cardigan. So around here they were making mainly, not exclusively, but mainly 3 types of ships. The smaller ones, the coastal ships, being called smacks. And the smacks were flat-bottomed, so they could get up onto the beach, and single-masted with a crew of 3, a captain, a captain's mate, and a young boy. And they were 70 tons. Then the next boats were the brigs. They were double-masted, ocean-going,